So one of the most important things that's happened in 2023 is a mandate by the FCC in the US for all carriers who use the IP protocol for voice traffic to be using this new dedicated standard called STIR/SHAKEN. One of the important pieces of that is a list of large number of companies who provide services across rural or smaller communities that are now being part of the ecosystem that have been identified by the industry. With this improvement as of June, what TNS has been seeing, given our unique visibility, is an improvement within this marketplace of more and more application of the technology standard that's been put in place and adoption of that to enable the proper branding and identification of traffic to notify the consumer of which calls they can trust and which ones they can't.